Okay, good morning, good afternoon. I've started to put my my flooring down. I started here. Got my air ducts coming up out of the floor. Yes, sir. Getting ready to do that piece right there, which will encompass the shower drain, the main drain, the vanity and shower, hot and cold, and my electric conduit. All right, I'll be back. Okay, just a quick video to show the floor down. Got our gas line, our hot and cold water. That's where the hot water tank will go. So the cold water goes in and the hot water comes up. That's for the toilet flush. And that's the toilet drain. You can see the ground down there, I don't know. This is my electric conduit to run some conduit down to the bottom of the trailer. This is my shower drain. Right here is the vanity. So that's the hot and cold for the vanity and for the shower enclosure that will be there. I've got my heat coming up out of the floor. There and there. They'll go into cabinets and come out the side. This is the kitchen sink area. So we got our hot and cold and our drain. And that's about it. My shower enclosure. As soon as I find someone to give me a hand, and preferably the plumber guy who's supposed to hook it up, or at least be here to help me hook it up. Yep. Yeah, this is coming along good. I'll get the walls in tomorrow. I'll bring in the shower enclosure tomorrow and set my walls around it. And then the next thing is to put luan on the walls and start building cabinets. Because once we get the cabinets, then we can put our refrigerator and our stove and our... Actually, when I'm building the cabinets, we have to build, a spot for the furnace and for the hot water tank. It's not a big deal. I left some space between my floorboards. I wanted to mention that real quick. This is a rolling house basically. So, you got to give it the ability to to flex a little bit. So my floor right there, I decided to cut those 8-footers to give a little relief, and I left a little space that I'm going to be putting some silicone in because I want those boards to be able to flex a little bit, up, down, left, right, change of the seasons, whatever. Same thing there. The two in the back by the bed are, basically cut around the bed, so that's no big deal. They'll flex. However, the one right here, I did leave that one a whole one. If I ever pull my motorcycle up in here, I want that you can see the ramp door here. We'll have to put the front tire up, on that, kitchen floor area. And so I wanted that to be as strong as possible. You all know right underneath there is my air conditioning heat plenum. I'm sorry, my heat plenum, and I've marked it plenum. I've got the size. So when the furnace is installed, I'll be cutting a hole in this floor anyway to bring the plenum down into the air distribution box. So anyway, that's it. I don't have to clean up too much as far as you know, bringing shit inside. I don't have to take stuff outside anymore. You know, I can pretty much leave it all right inside. You know, the bed platform is great for, you know, putting stuff on. You know, I basically did this whole floor with you know, with everything in here, and yeah. So I'm not gonna screw that one down yet. Until tomorrow. So I want to get in there and do a couple of things. But yeah, looking good. All right, folks, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.